My name is Scott and welcome to PM Now's how-to video on the Excel function SumProduct. With the function SumProduct, you can return a sum or a count. In these two examples, SumProduct is looking up a value on this sheet in the column B and returning a sum or a count based on a list in this second sheet. This sheet has been exported from a SharePoint list. In example 1, we're going to return a count of how many times B12 appears in column B in this exported list. This particular formula, we're using an if statement to return a yes or no, with the SumProduct returning a count, and if it is greater than 0, we return true. So the way that SumProduct is working in this example is the first array part is specified as column B, and it's testing to see if it equals B12. What the two minus signs on the front are doing is it's converting the true or false value into a number. The second minus sign then converts the true value of -1 into +1, allowing SumProduct to count how many times that value appears in the list. In this particular case, it should return a count of 6, but we're only displaying yes or no. The second count function is a little bit more advanced, and it is returning a count based on multiple criteria. The first array section works exactly the same as the previous formula, where it's just returning a count. The second array value is using the plus symbol between 3 segments, which works the same as OR. So if that column contains A or B or C, and the third segment is looking at column M in the list and returning a true if the value does not equal removed as text. So in the list, it looks, first of all, it matches column B, and if column C is an A, B or C, it then looks to column M, and if it doesn't say removed, the SumProduct function is returning a count for that row. In this case, it's returning 6. If I filter the list to that value, you'll notice that we have 6 line entries. They all say open, and they all have an A, B or C in the column F. And the third example, we're using SumProduct to return a sum based on the criteria passed. So again, in this example, array 1 is the same as the previous two, where it is just testing column B for the value in B12. What array 2 is doing is it's summing the values in column G where B12 is a match. So if we go back to the list, in this filtered view, you will notice the formula will return every match that it finds in column B and sum the value. So that value is 18. With SumProduct, I'm using a comma symbol between each array group. You can also use the star symbol, which equals an AND. Now you can use the star symbol or the comma to return that value. If I change this to be a star, you'll notice that that still returns 6. When you use the comma, it will treat any text passed as a 0 so that the function doesn't automatically fail and give you an error. The main downside to sum product is that you can't use wildcards in its tests on the array portions. So in this example, we could not go B12 and have the test to be 4520 star, counting anything that starts with the first 4 digits. If you need to have a wildcard, the other function that you can look at is SUMIF. It allows wildcards, but you can't use an OR statement with that function like what I am using here in the second count example. The plus symbol I'm doing as 3 test values as ORs. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was useful for you. Please visit us online at www.pmnow.com.